Welcome to episode 94 of If This Car Could Talk. Today we're celebrating our country's 245th birthday. Happy 4th of July to everyone. Like you, we're proud to be Americans and never take for granted any of the freedoms we enjoy. One of those is that we enthusiastically love cars. Cars of all kinds. New, old, antique, muscle, classic, trucks, concourse restorations, rat rods, and more. At this channel, we love them all. Cars are a huge part of American culture, and people around the world have also been bitten by the bug and love our cars too. Every week, our goal is to bring you cool cars with great stories. This week, there's no American car company more patriotic than American Motors.
Hi, my name is Dan Curtis, and I have a bunch of red, white, and blue American Motors cars.
Although they weren't as large as the big three, they did make an impact throughout their history, particularly during the classic muscle car era. Several of their models were red, white, and blue from the factory, and are today timeless examples of a bygone era. Thanks to people like Dan Curtis, we'll always have incredibly restored, tangible examples to view and enjoy. While it's certainly true that other American car companies have had various models, most of them limited editions, produced with the all-American red, white, and blue color scheme, nobody ever did it better than American Motors. When you saw an American Motors red, white, and blue car, there was no doubt that it came from the team based in Kenosha, Wisconsin. In 1969, in order to compete with all of the muscle cars prowling the streets of any town USA, AMC developed the Rambler into a very formidable muscle car called the SC Rambler, or Scrambler as it's commonly referred to today by enthusiasts. The SC stood for Supercar. Built in collaboration with Hearst Performance, 1,512 of these ready for F-Stock NHRA drag racing all had the 315-horse AMC 390 V8. A Borg-Warner 4-speed manual transmission, and many more standard features, all for less than $3,000. It's a fascinating story, and we'll let Dan tell it in full detail in a special episode next Thursday that you won't want to miss. You'll notice that they're both red, white, and blue, but in a different pattern. The car that is predominantly red on the sides is the A scheme, while the other is referred to as the B scheme. Both are quite attractive. The next interesting car from the Curtis collection is the 1970 Trans Am Tribute Javelin. Only 100 of them were ever built and sold during the 1970 model year to commemorate AMC's success in Trans Am racing with their Javelin models. Next Sunday, we'll feature this fresh restoration and let Dan give us all of the details on this stunning pony car. From the same year, Dan's last red, white, and blue muscle car is the Rebel Machine. Built on the mid-sized Rebel platform, they were also a collaboration with Hearst Performance and had many special features, among them the most powerful engine ever installed under the hood of a car from Kenosha. It displays 390 cubic inches and was rated at 340 horsepower. Most Rebel machines were red, white, and blue, but after January 1st of 1970, they were also available in other standard colors found within the dealer spec catalogs. Dan owns and operates the most well-known restoration shop for these wonderful cars, located right here in Peoria, Arizona. It's known as AMC Restorations, and they have developed a reputation as the most knowledgeable, well-connected shop in the world. They also boast an incredible array of NOS, good used, refurbished, and reproduction parts anywhere. They'll also restore other cars as well.
And so there are people all over the country that send us their cars, and right now we have roughly a 2-year waiting list before we can get cars in. So our specialty is actually to enhance the performance of the cars. So if you're interested in having us either build you an engine or to do some restoration work or even just large-scale repairs on any American Motors product that you have, you can reach us at AMC Restorations, and my email is easily reachable as well. It's amx39068 @gmail.com.
Thanks, Dan, for your tireless dedication to the cars produced by American Motors. It makes me want to go out and get one. Can anybody lend me the money? I think an AMC would fit the bill perfectly. Okay, I didn't think so, but no harm in asking, right? Please give the video the thumbs up and leave a comment. We read each one and are always happy to hear from you guys. Also, be sure to share it with your friends. Right now, we've reached over 1,000 subscribers and climbing. If you haven't done so yet, it's easy and it's free and ensures you never miss any of our videos. This Thursday, tune in for a special edition video where we explore the incredible history of the SC Rambler. You're sure to learn a thing or two, that's a promise. Until then, please be careful out there.